got these compression clamps. So basically there's a pre-hook that you can hook, and then you leave it just over the boot, put the throttle bodies in, and then you just come back with your pliers and click them shut. And you know, it seems impossible, but it's very doable.
Interesting.
So I've already got these clamps in there and set up where I can get to them. For those who, like us, saw the clamps and were like, how the hell is that gonna work? Good thing we didn't cut them off.
Yeah.
I wonder if anyone's done that.
Because that was on my mind.
They're probably $50 a piece, like the spark plugs. Okay, this one's... Oofda, as the Germans say. Oh, it's backwards compared to the other one. Do I spin it or not? I think I like to do it that way. Okay, don't.
It's never perfect like that. Nice.
Come on, Mike T. Where's my flag?
Matt C. Like, fuck!
You don't give up, because right when the most frustrating things are happening, success is just right around the corner, you know?
Just one click away.
One more click away.
From being money.
Failure is not an option. There's one. They're really not too bad to put on. The first time I did it, it gave me hell, but after enough messing around and cussing, and kicking over things in the shop, you just breathe deep, make a special pair of pliers, put your big boy pants on,
We got this.
put the clamps on. Oh, my doubles located.
Last time that one was easy to put on, and that one was hard. So now you got that one easy.
Okay, so I think what it was is that it's sitting too high on the back side. Now this hose is pushed in.
There it is.
Okay, so don't think that this is magic, because it kind of is, but rebend the clamps a little bit, and there's a pre-hook on the underside here, and that's the first position, and you want to bend your right side down a little bit so that it's easier for it to just sit on that hook. I know the clamp looks a little funny, but if it doesn't want to just always spring open, it'll fight you a lot more. And then you slip it over your boot. Do the same on the other clamp. Take and pre-bend it a little bit. Now I have to remember my pliers are handed, so I have to put the hand hook part on the right and the other part on the left, otherwise my plier design doesn't work. And so I took a standard set of hognose pliers, and I put a knife's edge on one, and I put a blunt angled surface on the other. And so the idea is that it'll grab the clamp underneath, very sharp side, and then the blunt side, and then hook them together, and then I use a flathead in the middle to hook them and get out of the way. And oh, actually it's the next step up. Hook it like that. And just use your flat blade to keep it down while you get out of the way. Okay, so the throttle body's over there. Okay, now this throttle body needs to go, and the plug is hiding for this throttle body right here.
Ooh.
Done.
Push it down and then.
Is it on?
Yep. Money. Uno más to go. Okay.